coming. I'm coming. Coming. Wait. So, tell me, how was university? What did you do?
Well,
what activities did you take part in?
Well,
how are the people there? You know, did you make friends? Did you have?
Okay, wait. Dad, I have to tell you something. This is important.
I don't like this. I don't like where this is going.
Okay, well, Dad, you know I love you and everything. And, well, now I'm old enough to make my own decisions. And so, well...
So what, are you pregnant?
No, I mean...
No, then what?
No, Dad, I'm not pregnant. That's not it. It's just, well, I was at university and I sort of met someone and we're sort of...
Someone who?
Well, a guy, obviously.
Okay.
And so, you know, we're together now and,
Okay.
like, I'd like for you to meet him.
When?
Well, tomorrow night maybe for dinner.
Fine. When am I supposed to meet this young man?
Well, tonight maybe?
Fine, okay.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you. Action.
So, what does your father do? How much does he earn? How do you plan to earn a living? So, do you resemble your mom or your dad? Do you smoke? Do you drink? Have you ever taken drugs? How often do you take a bath? Do you love my daughter? What can you do for her?
Dad, maybe we should start dinner now and we could go get the food and...
You know Zen? She's my only daughter. She's my family. You know, and I want you to know, Zen, that, you know, you have to be able to support her, you know. Zen.
Yes, sir. I understand that. And I know you love your daughter. And thank you very much. But, sir, with your permission, I'd like to marry your daughter.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you heard about it too? Can you believe she's like that? Shit, it's really scary. I didn't know about it either. I just found out because you told me. Oh, by the way, I think my dad's here, so yeah, I'm gonna pretend like I'm talking to a girl. I don't intend on making a girl later. But anyway, so yeah.
फरजाना,
I haven't really done anything.
खाना लगा दो।
अच्छा, आप आ गए? लगा रही हूँ।
फोन बंद करो।
हाँ ना डैड, तो
मैं थका हारा और घर आया हूँ। तुम मुझसे बात करने के बजाय फोन पे लगी हुई हो।
डैड पीछे नहीं पड़े।
बंद करो।
पीछे नहीं पड़े।
बंद करो।
I just have to go now, so I'll have to talk to you later, okay? Yeah, I'm really sorry. Bye.
प्लीज टिक टिक मत करो, दिमाग खराब हो रहा है।
डैड आपका मसला क्या है? आपको मैं जो कर रही हूँ आपको उससे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। It's annoying, you know. Please stop telling me what to do.
तुम मेरी बेटी हो, तमीज से बात करो। अब तुम मुझे समझाओगी कि मुझे क्या करना है। चुपचाप अपने कमरे में चली जाओ, इसी वक्त।
I'm the same way about it, you know. I mean, I'm so negative, you know. Now what, Mom? Do you have a problem with me being on the phone as well? God, you know, and I'll just have to call you later again.
What? बेटा क्यों अपने अब्बा से ऐसे बात करती हो? तुम्हें पता है उनको वैसे ही अपने काम का इतना स्ट्रेस है, फिर भी तुम उनसे हमेशा ऐसे बात करती हो?
Mom, I'm so sick of it. You know what? He's always getting mad at me, like literally all the time. I'm sick of it. I'm literally sick of it. He has an objection to everything I'm doing.
Beta, do you have any idea how many sacrifices that man has made just to give you a perfect life? And this is how you pay him back?
So what, Mom? You know, I mean, he complained to you. Did he have to do that? No, he didn't.
Beta, he's 30 years old. He's learned whatever he had to, okay? And now it's your turn to learn. Now go and apologize to him right now.
But Mom!
Right now!
God, you guys are so... Oh.
Go and apologize to him right now.
हाँ, ऑफिस में भिजवा। जी जरूर। आप गाड़ी भिजवा दीजिएगा, काम हो जाएगा। जी सही है, शुक्रिया।
Sorry, Dad.
ये रोज रोज का क्या सॉरी लगा के रखा है?
Dad,
तुम जो
sorry.
बोलती हो उसका मतलब है भी नहीं है। तुम्हें
Sorry.
पता है सॉरी का मतलब होता क्या है?
Sorry means sorry.
सॉरी क्या?
I won't do it again. Sorry.
अब जब वो सॉरी बोल रही है तो मान लीजिए ना।
ये रोज ऐसी हरकतें करेगी तो कैसे होगा? बदतमीजी इसकी हद से बढ़ चुकी है।
बच्ची है वो।
बच्ची नहीं है, बड़ी हो चुकी है।
Kid, okay, I'm not a kid. I'm
बच्ची
16
नहीं है, बड़ी
years
हो
old.
चुकी है।
नहीं लेकिन ओ फल्ला तुम लोग की किचकट से मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ। कोई मेरी बात नहीं सुनता है।
I'm not a 16-year-old. It's time.
Well, you stay a kid for me throughout your life. What's wrong with you?
I know I will be a kid, but it's high time you start treating me like an adult. You know, both of you guys. You guys are treating me like a baby.
जो भी है आपको तमीज में आना होगा। आपको आइंदा तमीज से रहना है। आपकी बदतमीजी नहीं चलेगी। आप अपनी बेटी को समझाइए।
फल्ला बस रहने दे।
Dad, आपने अम्मी को जाके क्यों बोला? सब आपकी गलती है। आपने I didn't expect this from you.
आप अम्मी के सामने तो तमीज।
I didn't expect this from you, Dad. आपने सीधे से जाके अम्मी को बोल दिया।
आपकी अम्मी आपको सिखाएंगी। अगर आप उनकी भी बात नहीं मानेंगी, आपका दुनिया में कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
मैं सीख चुकी हूँ। मैं 16 years की हूँ। आपको पता है हिरा की छोटी बहन जो 4
आप
साल की
दूसरों
है।
का हमें क्यों दे रही हैं? क्यों?
So you know, anger does cause resentment, bitterness, and disagreements amongst families. Thank you.
Mom, can you come already? I need to talk to you.
हाँ आ रही हूँ। बोलो क्या मसला है?
I need to talk to you about something.
हाँ आगे बोलो।
You need to take my life a bit more seriously.
भाई तुम्हें पिछले साल से seriously में नहीं।
Mom, can you put your cell phone down? I need to talk to you. It's kind of important.
बोलो।
I have somebody I want you to meet.
क्यों घर में किसी नौकर की जरूरत पड़ गई है क्या?
I'm not trying to be funny here. I like the guy. He likes me. We want to get married. It's almost like love.
Almost love? शकीला आंटी सुनेगी तो क्या कहेंगी?
Oh, so now we care about how Shakila auntie feels more than how your own daughter feels? Wow, Mom, feels really great.
Beta, you know you can't have a love marriage no matter how nice the guy is, okay? Your father and I had a love marriage and look what's happening. He's all the way living in Germany. He doesn't care what's going on. तुम यहाँ पे मरी पड़ी हो मेरे पास कोई फर्क ही उसे पड़ रही है।
Oh, मैं तो भूल ही गई हमारी फैमिली की खासियत है stereotyping क्योंकि आपके डैड की लव मैरिज खत्म हो गई तो मेरी भी हो जाएगी, right? मतलब just because you and dad had a bad marriage doesn't mean that I will have a bad marriage too. I want you to give Ali a chance. He's a
तुम्हें पता है हमारा खानदान कैसा है? तुम सब मुझे मिलके बात सुनाएंगे। तुम्हें अपनी माँ की इज्जत का ख्याल नहीं है?
इज्जत, शोहरत, blah 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 इन सब का ख्याल करते करते मैं थक गई हूँ। मैं 21 years की हो गई हूँ। I mean, don't you think I deserve a break too? Maybe you should start caring now. Stop being so casual and like unserious about my life.
कल से तुम्हें देखने कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं। I want you to be at your best. ज़्यादा hot shot लगने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है तुम्हें।
But Mom, at least listen to me.
Hello. How are you? How old are you? I really want to marry you. Will you marry me?
Yo, so my name is Faisal. What's your name? I guess I'm here to marry you. So, what's the shizzle whistle?
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरी वालिदा मोहतरमा चाहती हैं कि मैं आपसे निकाह कायम करूं। मैं आपके साथ जिंदगी का खुशगवार सफर शुरू करना चाहता हूं।
मुझसे शादी करोगी? ओ मुझसे शादी करोगी?
मैं आपसे वेडिंग करना चाहता हूँ। लब पे आती है दुआ बन जाओ तमन्ना मेरी।
आती क्या खंडाला।
Mom, that was ridiculous. You know, I mean, those guys, they were ridiculous. Ali is way better than them. You know, how can you expect me to marry them? I don't even know them. They're total strangers to me. I don't want to spend my life with a stranger, Mom. I know Ali. I know he's not like Dad. I know he won't do what Dad did to you. And I know he's the guy I want to spend the rest of my life with. And I know I picture myself being old with him. I want to be with him. I want to marry him. It's the one thing I've always wanted, Mom. I mean, Ali is the guy of my dreams. And
चलो बेटा सही है। मैं बात मानती हूँ। बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़कर आगे कदम बढ़ाओ। मैंने सब कुछ अल्लाह पर छोड़ा।
thank you, Mom. I
सब
love you
कुछ
so
मैं तुम्हारी
much.
खुशी के लिए किया है।
Thank you, Mom.
मैं जाके असमीन, शाहीन और फिरदौस को सारी बातें बताऊंगी। Look, beta, your dad and I had a love marriage, and he's all the way in Germany. देखो सारे love marriages का ऐसा ही होता है।
No, Mom. You were wish I believed you, Mom. I should have believed you when you told me no was good for me. It's not what I really wanted.